This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Sharon Baker. Public remarks: beautifully renovated 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home with a large 2-car garage on a wooded cul-de-sac in Seasons Trace. New roof, shutters, fresh paint throughout, new luxury vinyl plank flooring down and all new carpet upstairs, a new KitchenAid dishwasher, new kitchen faucet and all new toilets. The entrance/foyer has freshly stained oak stairs, a formal dining room on the left and the living room/office on the right. Past the foyer is a spacious family room with a wood-burning fireplace, access to the rear screened-in porch, and open to the kitchen. The kitchen has ceramic tile floors, granite counters, stainless steel appliances and large breakfast nook with a bay window. The spacious laundry room off the kitchen has shelving and natural light. The finished bonus room or 4th bedroom is above the garage. For more information